Hello everyone. This is continuation of the texturing process and material creation of the station buildings. So this is number 4, I think. So okay, the part is floor roof with stair. Okay, floor roof with stair. This one is gone, I think. Yes, floor roof with stair. Floor roof with stair material. Yeah, floor roof with stair is gone. Now is floor stair. Okay, floor stair. Go to this, and I'll have to copy the name and just go to this and of the sRGB. Now go to there, and you have to import the textures. Okay, so you have to import the textures. Go to there, and go to the mask map and also the normal map. So go to the base color, go to the ambient occlusion, go to the roughness, and go to the metallic, and go to the normal. Okay, so this is the copy, and you just go to the material section and this one. So I think this is this one. Yeah. Okay, as you can see here. Yes, 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 perfect. Okay, now what you need to do is go to the FBX and delete this one, force delete, and gable angle. Click on gable angle. Okay, okay, let me okay, click on this, go to the copy gable angle. This is the textures. Go to this one. This one is the gable angle. Go gable angle. This one is big. Yeah, gable angle big. Okay, I think this one gable angle. Yeah, only is a big gable angle. This one gable angle big, big, big. Yeah, this one. Go to this and go to the sRGB off. Okay, the material section and this one. So pick this three. Pick this three is like here. Yeah, this is big, big, big. Yeah, pick these three and go to there and bring up this one. Okay, so base map to base map, ambient occlusion to ambient occlusion, roughness, and also the metallic part, and you have to do the normal part. Okay, so this is your material, by the way. Don't panic to see the material finally, but it's I think it's okay. This one, go to the material section. Okay, and the gable angle is this one. Yeah, done. You see, perfectly okay. So I said don't panic to see the materials, they are okay. Yeah, and this is go to this one. Gable angle is done. Force delete. Okay, and the roof one, bring up the roof one. The material I am doing is copying because of avoiding the crash. Okay, If you move that one, or if you cut and copy that one, then maybe the Unreal will crash. So okay, so this is the only convenient way for for me to bring the textures, bring the materials from FBX to material slot. Go there and go to this one and bring these things. Okay, and okay, up to there. So just doing this repeated time, again, and again. Base color to base color, ambient to ambient. Okay, roughness to roughness, and metallic to metallic, and normal to normal. Okay, go to this and make sure the sRGB. Yes, sRGB, always look for sRGB. Huh? Roof one. Okay, roof one is done. Where is the roof one? Is this the roof one? Yes, yes, the roof one is this floor actually. The same floor, yeah, yeah, the roof one. Oh, okay, yeah, this is the roof one. Okay, as you can see. Then go to the FBX, and the roof one is done. Okay, and then solid wall one, see material slot. Okay, and this one is, take the name, open the material editor, go to the texture part, and this one, click on sRGB off. Okay, okay, now 1 2 3, click on this part and go to, okay, go to the base map, go to the mask map, and go to the normal map, and then bring up the base map to base map, ambient occlusion, roughness, metallic, and the normal. Okay, the normal. Okay, yeah, material editor. So this is the solid wall one. Solid wall one is, I think, this one. Yeah, solid wall one is done. Solid wall one is done. Yeah, yeah. Okay, now solid wall one, and the stair. Okay, bring up the stair. So material is, the slot is a stair. Rename. Okay, go to there, and you have to do the texture part, and this one is a stair. Again, you have to pick it, modular station pack, stair, roof stair. Okay, floor stair. This one, I think this one. Click on that. Okay, the sRGB. Okay, okay. So pick 1 2 3. These three you have to pick. Yeah, and then you have to do this one. You have to do mask map, arrange the file, arrange the textures, and base color, then ambient occlusion, roughness, metallic, and also the normal. Okay, you go there, and I think the stair part is okay. Yeah, yeah, the stair is okay. So this is one of this stair, like this. So as you can see, yeah, yeah, we have our roughness and all the things. Okay, okay. Ambient occlusion, wait, ambient occlusion, roughness, and the metallic. Yeah, the metallic. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Okay, then go to the FBX again, stair part, okay, force delete, okay, and the station platform, C, okay, bring up this and station platform, okay, this one, go to the textures part and station platform, go to the sRGB off, and then you just click on the material and take that material, these three parts, okay, done, and arrange them like this, arrange them like this, and then go to the base map to base map, and ambient occlusion, oops, ambient occlusion to ambient occlusion, roughness to roughness, metallic to metallic, and the normal to normal. Okay, so you can get this thing, and then you have this one, the station platform. The station platform is this one. Yeah, done. Yeah, okay, okay. Yeah, you have the all the things you have, okay, done. And then what the remaining part is, yeah, the station. Okay, so bring up this one, a station platform, done, force delete, and wall with tour 1. Okay, wall with tour 1 material, go to there, and you have to do this one. So wall, go to texture path, and this one, okay, go to the sRGB off. Okay, now you have to bring up this one and go to there, and go to this one, the mask map and the normal map. So go to the base map to base map, yeah, and then go to the ambient occlusion, ambient occlusion. This is the roughness, and this is the metallic, and this one is the normal. Okay, I don't yeah, it's the normal. Okay, done. And then go to the wall with door 1. Okay, wall with door 1. Okay, so this one, maybe this one. Yeah, yeah, as you can see, they are uh, perfectly done. Okay, okay, something like that, door. Okay, yeah, yeah, look at the color, I mean the wood bumpness, and it's looking good, I think. And then the FBX again, and go to the door 1. Okay, force delete, and then oh, okay, I will continue the rest of the texturing in the next part. So I think this is the time limit is off, so rest of this 1 2 3 4 5, I think, continue with the next video. So thank you and keep watching. Thank you very much, and I love you all, and please subscribe my channel, and stay with me. Guys, I think you are enjoying it, so I'm not skipping any part. So for your actually good understanding. So thank you very much.